Welcome to your daily briefing for Monday, July 17, 2023. The following is a summary, and not investment advice. The global financial landscape continues its transformative evolution with fintech frontrunners Silvr, Payhawk, and Broadridge Financial Solutions leading the charge. Backed by robust growth capital, Silvr is expanding its European operations, paralleled by Payhawk, which has earned the trust of the Bank of England. Mike Sleightholme, steering the helm of Broadridge Financial Solutions, ambitiously aims to leave a significant mark on the financial landscapes of Europe, Middle East, Africa, and the Asia-Pacific region. Current developments mark the escalating traction of Central Bank Digital Currencies, CBDCs, now endorsed by nations that command a significant portion of the global gross domestic income. Realizing the potential of this unfolding facet of the financial stage, Visa, Fidesmo Pay, Wearonize, and Thunes have begun their exploratory dive into the world of CBDCs. The frenetic activity in the financial sector has set off the dominoes of mergers and acquisitions, with recent significant deals involving Smart Pension and Evolve Pensions, HyperPay and Sanad Cash, and TMT Analysis and Phronesis Technologies Limited. The substantial investment by the Central Bank of Egypt and Banque Misr in Flash serves as a confirmation of the burgeoning fintech activity in Africa. Digital asset security remains a recurring hurdle in the financial technology race. A glaring example is the recent security breach suffered by Ethscriptions, where more than 200 Ethscriptions were pilfered from 123 separate addresses due to a smart contract exploit. This security issue was fortunately confined to Ethscriptions' central marketplace and did not extend to associated applications or protocols. On a brighter note, efforts directed towards sustainability are gaining momentum in the financial sector. CaixaBank pioneers this trend by encouraging its customer base to join in conserving Mediterranean orange coral through the Imagin platform. Concurrently, the National Australia Bank and Canada's Canadian Tire Bank leverage advances in technology for preventing fraud and enhancing customer service and acquisition respectively. The investments of Bowmark Capital and Landscape further display mounting interest in creators and providers of commercial finance software. Monetary policies are also coming under scrutiny amidst the ongoing inflationary pressures. The Bank of England is considering raising interest rates to combat relentless inflation, reportedly capable of diminishing the UK's household wealth by £2.1 trillion. However, this major upheaval could also lead to easier avenues for property acquisitions and enhance retirement savings in younger demographics. On the other side of the Atlantic, wage growth in the United States is surging ahead of inflation, conflicting with the plans outlined by the Federal Reserve. Commodities market trends demonstrate a sharp increase in West Texas Intermediate and Brent oil prices that sharply contrasts with a 25% decline year-over-year. Striking a similar note, the New York Federal Reserve's Empire State Manufacturing reading plummeted from an encouraging 6.6 to a stale 0.0 in July. CBDCs continue to make headlines with the Central Bank of Nigeria introducing the near-field communication feature for its e-Naira digital currency. This significant enhancement aims to enable transactions for users without smartphone or internet access. Intriguing insights into the Brazilian Central Bank digital currency have also surfaced, with recent code analysis revealing the government's capacity to freeze funds and adjust balances. Despite the potential erosion of civil rights, the Brazilian government has remained silent on this issue. Tumult in Asia's equity markets continues with stocks experiencing a decline due to unnerving concerns over inflation and China's gross domestic product, unnerving the world's second-largest economy and sending ripples across global equities markets. These apprehensions have the potential to reshape international monetary policy and influence future investment decisions considerably. An intriguing addition is the Central Bank of Iran, which reportedly considers levying a tax on cryptocurrency-related businesses. Mehran Mahramian, CBI Deputy Governor for Innovative Technologies, shared the bank's intention, contrasting it with divergent approaches in other nations. For instance, China has entirely proscribed activities linked to cryptocurrencies, whereas both the European Union and North America have largely refrained from imposing significant restrictions on digital currency exchanges. However, it remains uncertain whether the proposed tax will extend to individual cryptocurrency traders or exclusively to businesses. Your daily briefing is gathered from information sources across the web and summarized by AI. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.